Hi everyone, now we are going to discuss syllabus of prelim exam. So that is here syllabus of preliminary examination is also important for this exam. There is the number of question will be 100 and general study paper 2 there will be 80 questions and total mark will be 200 and 200. Type of paper will be objective and 1/3 for the allotted for the negative marking and mode of paper and pen. Okay, so 5 June 2022 will be the exam. Now ancient history there will be prehistory historical time. Okay, prehistorical time. Wait a minute. Ancient history, prehistorical time, Indus Valley civilization, Rigvedic, later Vedic, Jainism, Buddhism, Mahajanpat, Mauryan, post-Mauryan, Guptan, post-Guptan, then Harshvardhan period, then Sangam period. Medieval will be major dynasties of medieval and Pallava, Chalukya, Rashtrakuta, Chola. Then early Muslim invasion, Delhi Sultanate, Afghan, Rajput, Mughal, establishment of North Indian Empire, the Mughal Empire, Maratha and other state, the decline of Mughal Empire and Vijayanagar Empire. Then modern will be British expansion, advent of European administration before 1857, economic policy, impact of British revolt of 1857, administration change after 1857, development of civil service, development of education, praise, socio-religious reforms, peasant movement, revolutionary nationalism, Indian national movement 1 and 2, governor generals, viceroy, constitutional development, architecture, sculpture, painting, pottery, numismatic, performing art, religious and literature, national religious festival, evaluation of constitution, salient feature of constitutions and union territory, citizenship, fundamental right, active principle, state policy, fundamental duty, union executive, union legislature, state executive, state legislature, local government, duty and special areas, constitution and non-constitutional body, constitution and political dynamics, election, pressure group, governance, international relation, universe, earth evolution, earth interior, geological rock system, geomorphic process, earthquake, volcanism, distribution of continent, political dynamics, distribution of continent, ocean, landform, hydrosphere, submarine relief, temperature, salinity, wave, ocean current, tide, marine resources, atmosphere, inversion of temperature, insolation, heat budget, air mass, front, cyclone, jet stream, climatic zone of world, precipitation, wind and pressure belts, soil, vegetation, demography, human development, economic activity, and transport and communication, international trade, settlement, physiography, drainage system, climate, soil, natural vegetation. Okay, then industry, transport and productivity of crop, then ecology of environment, basic concept, ecosystem, population, adaptation of species, terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic and nutrient cycle, then biodiversity, basic of biodiversity, animal, plant, threat, biodiversity, estuary, mangrove, coral reef, wetland, then environment, pollution, degradation, climate change, then macroeconomic and microeconomic, national income, economic growth, inflation, money function, financial market, banking structure, budgeting, fiscal policy, tax structure, and then planning, 5-year plan, Niti Aayog, foreign trade, international organization, trade agreement, poverty, employment, government schemes, then science, technology in India, space, IT, communication, nanotechnology, robotics, defense, nuclear technology, intellectual property rights and other, and biotechnology. This will be the complete syllabus for prelims. So you can do this with NCERT and basic standard books. Okay, all the best. Thank you.